Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how I make my banga soup. This soup is gonna be very delicious. If you've not tried in making banga soup before, please just continue watching this video till the end. Thank you so much. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel and share this video with friends and family. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. And my ingredient which I'm going to be using is, this is all I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using my meat. This is my beef. I have my macro fish and my dry fish here. So I'm going to use macro and dry. And this is my snails, dry snails. I bought this in African shop. And this is my scent leaf. If you don't have a scent leaf, you can skip and use atama. I don't know, maybe you guys knows atama, but everyone who is from Akwa, Ibom, Calabar, they will know what is called atama. So you can use atama to skip this. So, and this is my onion, my Maggi, that's no cube. This is my pepper, scotch bonnet. But I'm going to use half of this. I think it's a little bit much, so I'm going to use half of it. And this is my crayfish. So my stockfish is cooking right now, so I'm going to show you how you can make this delicious banga soup. So stay tuned. So I'm going to add my beef into it. So I cook this stockfish so that to make it soft. I'm gonna add my onion. I'm gonna add my nut cube to make it taste. And I'm gonna add my salt. So mix it together. So I will add my scotch bonnet. Cover it to cook for 3 minutes. So check it to see how it's cooking. Then add water so that the meat can cook very well. Cover it again for another 3 minutes. So check it how to. Now I'm gonna add my snails, my fish, pop everything together and stir it. Add crayfish. Do the stirring again. So this is my banga. This is how it looks. So now pop in. So you put your banga together. So stir it together. Cover it to make it melt. So check it to see maybe it has melted, then stir it. At this point you need to be careful because it can splash. Okay, I'm gonna add my seasoning again. Let it cook for 2 minutes, then we come back to it. So did you see how it looked like now? So you cook it and make the oil to come up. You can see the oil. So I'm gonna add my scent leaf to it. You can use atama. If you know atama, you can use atama. In my place, we use atama for abak, so I don't have atama here. I decided to use scent leaf, so you can actually use atama. So guys, my banga soup is ready. As you can see, it's very simple and it is so delicious. Please just go and try it and leave a comment below. Let me know how you prepare your banga soup. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. And you can use this banga soup for rice. You can use it for semolina, for pounded yam, for gari. So this is very good. This is very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. You can join me to eat this soup. Thank you. Bye. Love you.